For over 50 years, Bob's Market and Greenhouses has been growing flowers, friends, and family. Headquartered in Mason, West Virginia, we are ranked among the top seedling plug growers in the U.S. With over 25 acres under roof, we grow over 150 million seedling plugs per year. We also have 3 garden centers located in the Mid-Ohio Valley and a wholesale distribution center in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This spring we will continue to grow as our newest greenhouse expansion nears completion. For more information, visit us online at bobsmarket.com. There you can find blog posts that cover a wide variety of topics, also weekly recipes, and also Bob's Live, our weekly show on Facebook and YouTube. Bob's Live is on every Tuesday at 5 p.m. and we cover different topics like what's happening here in the greenhouse, different gardening projects, and also we travel to different locations. So you can find all of that on our website at bobsmarket.com. You can also subscribe there so you get email notifications to stay up to date with what's happening here at Bob's Market.